Good morning, students. I welcome all of you to maths class. Are you there? All of you are there or not? That's my question. You don't wait for the recorded session. You have to, if online classes are there, live classes are there, you have to attend the live classes. Okay, and if there is any doubt, that time you can play once more using the recorded session. All should be there for this live sessions. Okay. Chapter is almost over, square and square roots, and that chapter is there for the first midterm examination. And today we will discuss the homeworks. Already I have written 3 homeworks on the board. Just take the homeworks which you have done in your notebook. Please take the homeworks. First one, question number 3, second subdivision. Question number 3, second subdivision. Find the square root of 496 correct to 3 places of decimal. 496. Okay. 496 correct to 3 places of decimal. Okay. 3 places you need. Anyway, from that we could understand that it is not a perfect square. That's why they are asking find the answer correct to 2 places or 3 places means decimal parts are coming without stopping. That's the meaning. So we have to round it off. So this is 496 is not a perfect square. Decimal part comes, that we know. Okay. That means remainder won't be 0. That's the meaning. First grouping I did. Whole number part from right to left. 96 in one group, 4 in one group. Okay. Then 4, 2 into 2, 4. All of you please listen. Don't copy the steps in a hurry. You won't get anything. Please listen the class. And the steps are same. 96 brought down. And the new divisor is 2 into 2, 4. And one more 2. Same steps I described last class also. That's why I am going like this. 42. In 42 into 2. 84. Again subtraction. Then there was no, this I only provided the zeros. Actually there are no decimal places. Okay. No digits are there. So for our convenience we provided some zeros pairwise. We had to find 3 more places on the decimal part. So we need some more digits. We cannot add anything else other than zeros. So after point I put some zeros. In pairs I told no. First I inserted 6 zeros. Then while I was doing, I came to know that 6 zeros are not enough. Then I inserted 2 more zeros like that. Okay. So first how many you need? 2 or 4 or 6 or together 8 or 10. How many you need? Those many zeros you have to insert. I inserted pairwise zeros. Okay. Then so here onwards point starts. Here onwards point starts because here onwards point 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So here onwards what you are getting after point only. Okay, so next 0 brought down, it became 1200. Then we did as such 316. Again next set of zeros brought down. Did again next set of zeros. Why I did like that? Because they told the answer should be correct to 3 places of decimal. Correct to 3 places of decimal means we have to find for 4 places of decimal. 1 extra you have to find for the rounding off. I told you no. So they asked for 3. So I am finding for 4. That's why 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of zeros I provided. Got the meaning? Then third set of zeros brought down. Then again 1 will be possible. That procedure you do, no need to explain. 1 will be possible. That one we have written. So, okay. Subtraction this one. Next 0. Next 0 also. Next set of zeros also we inserted brought down. Then in 2,55,900. Here nothing was there. We have the new divisor as 44,542 which will be suitable. Listen. If least possibility 1. If I am keeping 1 1 into 1, you will get 4, 4, 5, 4, 2, 1. 4,45,000. Minimum least case means 1. If we are providing 1, then also we are getting 4 lakh. But here only 2 lakhs. So even 1 is not possible. Do you remember such a question? We had that in the last class also. Even 1 is not possible. When we are providing 1, we are like, I am getting 4 lakh. But here the scope for only 2 lakh. So 1 is also not possible. Then what is possible? That time what we will write? 0. 0 here. Here also 0. Then the next part I don't want. No need to continue because already 1, 2, 3, 4 places I got. So I stopped. No need to find the remaining part. That's why I stopped there. Now what's the answer? 22.2710. Then how can you correct to 3 places of, see last you had to write therefore square root of 496 is equal to all the answers you have to write like that 22.2710. Now we have to find for 3 place of decimal. What is the 4th place decimal? It's 0, which is less than 5. If a number occurs which is less than 5, simply you remove. If a number occurs which is more than 5, the preceding number will exceed by 1. This 1 will become 2 if it is more than 5. Got it? But it is 0 which is less than 5. So no change. Simply you remove 0. That's all. This is the answer. Correct to 2 places of decimal. Okay? Suppose that if this is 6, then what? Not you have to remove at the same time. This next one will increase by 1. That was the answer. But here it's not like that. 1 0 equal to 22.271. Clear? This is a live session. You can ask any doubt through. Okay? Okay, 5th subdivision yet to come. Wait, 5th subdivision, no? I am explaining. This is okay, no? 2nd subdivision. Next, 4th subdivision. 4th subdivision. All should get full marks for the coming first term examination. Otherwise, you don't have any right to attend these classes after that. Okay. This is the second question. Here also, 0.065, only this much was there in the question. One more 0, why I added that? Because this 5 will be alone. So just to make it 50, I added one more 0. Then that according to the situation only, no need to insert now. If you want, you can insert now, or when you need, that time you can insert, no problem. But the 0, first while you start the problem itself, you add, insert, because 5 cannot be alone. How to group? 0 as such. Here from here 0 to 6 in one group. Only 5 was here. 5 cannot be alone. So 5 and I provided 1 0. So 50 in one group. Grouping okay. Then 0 0 0. 6. Then in 6 2 into 2 4. Subtraction 2. The next 50 brought down. 45 into 5 225. Subtraction. Then I need next pair of zeros, because I had to, here for how many places you had to find? You had to find the answer for 4th subdivision we are dealing. That also 3 places of decimal. So you have to find for 4 places. 4 places. So 1, 2, so 2 more. So that's why 2 sets of zeros we need. Okay. So next set of zeros came down in this 504. Then subtraction 484. Next set of zeros came down 9 times. Okay. Then I am here onwards not needed because already I got 4 places. So here onwards no need to find the subtraction and all. No need to find. How to round it off? How to round it off? You write. Therefore 0.0065 equal to, this is a question, 0.065 equal to 0.2549. This is what you got. Now how to correct to 3 places of decimal? You see, what's the 4th place decimal? Please listen here. Rounding how to do. What's the fourth place digit here? 9. 9 which is greater than 5. 5 or more than 5. What is the rule? The previous number, that is here 4, will exceed by 1. So 4 will become 5. 9 will go at the same time, previous number will increase by 1. So the last answer is 0.25. This 4 will become 5. 9 will go. If it is a less than 5 number, simply it will go, no change. If it is a greater than 5 number or 5 or greater than 5, this will go at the same time. The previous number will exceed by 1. Got it? So the answer is 0.255. Next question, question number 5. Somebody asked the doubt in that. 5th subdivision. Question number 3, 5th subdivision. 5.2005. You know, actually I told today onwards I will take the new chapter. But again and again I am explaining this is the 6th period that we are spending for the same chapter. Okay. Being the first chapter, and if you are thorough in this chapter, next chapter will be quite easy. And our aim to get good marks for the coming term examination also. So don't waste the time. Make use of the online classes, live classes especially. Okay. 5.2005. Okay. Decimal part you group it. 20 in one group, 05 in group. Here whole number part. Third question. Second subdivision we explained, no? Yes. This is the, somebody is asking, question number 3, second subdivision is this one. You need the explanation? Just to go through, I explained, no? Till now I explained. Go through this one. Okay, maybe. Third subdivision I didn't, yes. Third subdivision I didn't discuss here, but I hope that I didn't give as homework also, third subdivision. Can you tell the name, can you? Ashwin, okay. Ashwin, I will clear your doubt through the WhatsApp. Okay. Because third question is quite easy. Or after discussing all the homeworks. Homeworks, if time is there, I will. Ashwin, otherwise you just ask me. Just give a response through the WhatsApp. Then I will give the details. Okay. No problem. You can use my WhatsApp number for the personal doubts. No problem. I will be happy. Okay. Fifth subdivision, 5.2005. Okay, then 5, 2 into 2, 4. Then in 120, 42 into 2, 84. Then 05. This much okay. Then 476. Okay. Now, but we have to find here for 2 places of decimal. So you have to find for 3. So 1, 2, we need one more. So, one pair of zeros you have to insert. Already after decimal 2 pairs are there. So, 2 decimal places you will get. For the third decimal place you have to insert a pair of zeros. This one. That will come down here. Okay. Then, that in 47,600, 5548 into 8. Those things you will try, that's I am not explaining, and we got 8. After that, these steps are irrelevant, we don't want, no need to find the subtraction and all. So the answer is, here they need find for 2 places. So root of 5.2005 equal to 2.278. First you write the answer what you got. Now you see what is in the third place, 8. Which is greater than 5. So what will happen? 8 will go. This 8 will go. At the same time, since it's a greater number, this 7 will exceed by 1. This 7 will become 7 plus 1. That is 8. Got it now? Rounding off how we did. The third place, last place, If it is a more than 5 number, 5 or more than 5, that will go at the same time the previous number will exceed by 1. So the answer is 2.28. Okay. Next, question number 4. I am not doing, I am giving only the method. All of you please take exercise 3B, question number 4, first subdivision. First subdivision. Question number 4, first subdivision. 3B, question number 4, first subdivision. Find the square root of each of the following correct 2 decimal places. 3 and 4 by 5. They have given the hint. 3 and 4 by 5. They have given as a mixed fraction. We have to make it in the decimal form. Then you do as usual. Okay. I am not doing now. I will tell only the method. This if I have already given as homework, okay. Otherwise for the next class you have to do as homework. Okay. The starting I will tell. This mixed number, mixed fraction you have to convert into decimal number. How? 3 into 5, 15. 15 plus 4, 5. Sorry. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 by 5. Then 19 by 5 you have to convert into decimal form. 3.8. If you are converting 3 5s are 15, then in 48, 3.8. Now you find square root of 3.8. Now you have to find the square. That method you know, no? So when they are giving the fraction form, you have to convert into decimal form like this and you do as usual. Now how to do as usual means here whole number part 3 only, decimal part 8, so we need one more 0, so 18 one group. Then if I think that you need one more because here after decimal only one number will come. We have to find for 2 decimal places means we have to find correct, you have to find for 3. So only one group, 2 more groups we need in the decimal part. Got it now? After decimal you need 3. Correct 2 places means you need 3. So you have to find 3 groups after. So only one group is here. 2 more pairs of 0 you have to insert and you do as usual. Okay. And do you remember last class we have done what is root 3. That also this you take as homework. Okay. Last class 3 what you did, you had to find for correct 2 places. So 2 places means you have to find for 3 places. So 3 pairs of zeros you insert this alone. Then we started. Okay. So today I will give how to find root 7 and root 5 as homework. That also you have to do like this. Okay. Homeworks I will tell after this. So question number 4, first subdivision you will do. Only you have to convert in this and after that you do as usual. Then question number 9. Question number 9. Find the square root of. That was the homework I think, question number 9. While we are taking the class, lecture note also if you need you write what all things the teacher is telling, those things you can note down in your own words. Okay. 1764 by question number 9, first subdivision, root of 1764. Only the method I have given as homework. I hope that you have done. 2809. 280. Find the square root of. Question number 9. Okay. How to do? 1764. You can use division method and find what is root of 1764. One method I am telling. Then you find 2809. That also you find using division method. Those answers you write here, that's all. You will get the answer also in fraction form. Okay. Some students, sometimes they may tried with our prime factorization method. No problem, they didn't tell anything, but in the question paper, we will specify which method you have to follow. You have to do in that method itself, otherwise you won't get the mark. Here they didn't tell, you can use the prime factorization method also, but being a big number, it will take time. No need to go for that, it will take time. 2000 something means prime factorization, this also will take time. So if now we are the experts in division method, so why can't you do? See, we are doing the decimal numbers, so these questions are quite easy. 164, then 2. See, we got root of 164 equal to 42 by, what is root of 2809? That also you do like that. Three, 53. So 42 by 53. These steps should be clearly written in the mainstream itself. The marks will go for this step and this step, and after getting 42 by 53. That is the answer. Likewise, you do the second subdivision also. You will get the answer as, that I have given as homework, I think. Question number 9, first subdivision we have done here. Question number 9, second subdivision answer, 13 by 37. 30. Likewise, okay. This is what we did, root of 1764 by root of 2809. That only you got this one, okay. Separately you find. Likewise, second subdivision answer, I have given as homework. If anybody failed to do so, for the next class you do 13 by 37. Root of 507 you will get 13. Sorry. No. Yes. Second subdivision. Question number, maybe, because it won't come as 160, it is 169. Yes. Second question I will do. This okay. Question number 9, first subdivision, okay. Then, let me rub second subdivision. This you have to find after splitting it, root of 1764 I did know that you do 280, otherwise you won't get any mark. (507) by 4107. Root of, this is the question, 4107 equal to root of 507 by root of 4107. 507. This in group, one group. Oh, this is not a perfect square. So, whether cancellation is possible? Seven won't go. 3 will go. Yes, that is the method here. I will explain for you. 507 and 407, they are not perfect squares, not like the first subdivision. But here something is there in common. 3 is common. 3. So you cut down 3. 1 3s are 3. 1 6 9 you will get if you are cutting with 3. Here if you are cutting with 3. Yes. Again. Okay. Then, now anything is there in common in 169 and 1369? No, 3 won't go, 3 won't go. Here 3 won't go. Nothing. Here 13 will go, but here it won't go. No, nothing is possible. So you write root of 169 by root of 1369. Now you find the square root of this. I am not spending time. Root of 169 if you are doing, you will get 13. Root of 1369 if you are finding using division method, you will get 37. Let me check. 37 into 37. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So this is the answer. So in one step you won't get. Last question it was like that. Here something is common. Last question there was nothing common. So after taking out the common factors, you are getting this one. This is a skeleton. Then you find the square root. You will get 13 by 37. Okay. Then question number 9, third subdivision also. Question number 9, third subdivision. I will give the method. 108 into 2028. 108 into 2028. Okay. Here also the same problem. 108 is not a perfect square. 2028 is not a perfect square. So you cannot split up like that. Instead, but total it's a perfect square. If you are multiplying, you will get a big number and that's a perfect square. But if you are going for multiplication, you will get a big number. That will be a problem for you to do. So we can do another way. You split it off. 108 and 2028. The previous question, okay? One not 8. I'm doing like many ways are there. Yes. 2028. I'm doing here prime factorization is more good. Three. Yes. We did the prime factorization. Now you do therefore this is equal to root of 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into the other one. 2 into 2 into 3 into 13 into 13. Listen what I told. 108 and 2028 they are not perfect squares. So I am not finding square root and this. Only for the first subdivision that process is okay. Second subdivision we found the common factor and made into the skeleton form. Third subdivision it's better prime factorization. Okay. So 108 prime factorization, 2028 prime factorization. Now can you make in pairs? Can they make in pairs? Yes. From these two 1 2, from these 3 1 3. Here 1 3 is alone, 1 3 is alone. That 3 will match with this 3 I think. So from that pair 1 3, from this 2 1 2, from this 13 1 13. All are in pairs even if they are here and there, all are in pairs, all are in pairs. This 3 is alone, don't think that 3 here also 1 3 is alone. So both will make one pair. Okay. So the answer is 36 into 13. Answer, I have to see, I think that 468. I didn't check the answer. It will be 468. Yes, 468 is the answer. This we did in our old method, prime factorization method. Okay. Just did the prime factorization, made in pairs and did. Last question, fourth subdivision. Any doubt you can ask. Zero 0.01 fourth subdivision plus root of 0.0064, 0.0064 equal to 0.01 plus. First you find this one. Very easy question. Many ways are there. Last time I told, I remember, this you made as 64 by 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 zeros. This is one method. Instead of root of 0.0064, you write root of 64 by 10,000. That is one method. We can do that one. Otherwise, always if I am changing the method, let me rub this one. Okay, listen. First, okay. Second one, I am writing this as 64 by, another method is there, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros. Okay. Next step, 0.01 plus, what is root 64? What into what 64? 8. Okay. By, what is 10,000? What into what 10,000? 100 into 100. So 100. So 0.01 plus 0.08. 8 by 100 means 0.08. The answer is 0.09. That's the answer. Okay. 0.09. Then question number 10. That also I have given as homework. In between, let me tell. Question number 6, 11, 12, 13, 14, you no need to attempt. 3b, all of you please note down 3b. That method I didn't teach here. That once offline classes starts, otherwise it will be a burden for you. That's why. Important parts we have taken. This is if extra time allows, we can. So now you may make it in circle. That means after some class only we will discuss. Which all questions? 3b, question number 6, 11, 12, 13 and 14 later, not now. That method I didn't discuss in the class. Okay. Now question number 10. Question number 10. Question number 10. What is that? Find the square root of 7.832. 7.832 correct to that some difference is there. 2 decimal places, okay, you will do. What you will do? You will find for 3 and you will correct to 2. Okay, second subdivision is the problem. 2 significant digits they told. 2 significant figures. What is the meaning of significant digits? That I will discuss. Okay. So we can do this one. Find the square root of 7.832. I have given as homework. Hope that you got. Question number 10. Grouping here 7 only. Here right from left to right. 83 in one group, 2 alone. So 20 in one group. Okay. But we have to find the answer for correct to 2 places of decimal. So we have to find for 3 places. So we have to 3 pairs should be there in the right side. 1, 2 pairs only. So I am providing a set of zeros. Okay, 3 places we need. So 3 sets we need on right side after decimal. Okay. Now we are going to start. Nothing different. How you did 2 into 2, 4. Then 83. Here point 4. 4 what into what? 4 3. 6. 4 7 into 7. Yes. 48 into 8. No. 48 into 8, 384 comes. But here only 383. So this is not possible. 47 we are taking. Here also 329. Then next set of zeros, 20 came here. Simply I am doing same way, last question. So if anybody is there who couldn't follow this method, minimum 10-15 questions we have done similar way. You have to, this is the last discussion, so you have to listen. Then 54 and one more place to satisfy this one. 7 into 7. No. 5, 4, 7 into 7. 3000 something. So 5, 4, 8 into 8. 5, 4, 9 into 9. No. Somewhere we made the mistake. Why we are getting like that? Enter. 2, 3, 83, 4, 47 into 7. Is it correct? 47 into 7. No? 329. 48 into 8, it's not possible, I told. Yes. Then 5420. 54. Then, okay. 549 into 9. Yes. 9. 9. Here 9. Here 9. Then 2 more zeros. Just to see now, is it okay or not? What's the new divisor? Got it. 5, 4. I was searching for the next digit. 9 is matching. 5, 4, 9 into 9. 5, 4, 9 into 9. 81. 4. Yes. Get it. If you are taking, it will exceed 5,400 and something. So this one. Okay. Now what's the new divisor? It's double. And we have to find one more. Okay. What is that? This is 5 places. 5, 5, 8, 7 into 7. I think that 8 is possible. Here also 8. Okay. We don't want the next part. So 2.798. 2.798. What? Root of 7.832 equal to. Now, all of you listen. This much you will do, that I know. I am explaining only the first and second subdivision. 2 decimal places means what's the third decimal place? 8, which is greater than 5. So what will happen? How to round it off? Equal to 8 will go. 8 will go. At the same time, this 9 will become 10. How this 9 will become 10? If 9 will become 10 means the 7 will become 8. This is a special question. So 2 point, that means 79 will become 80. Likewise also you can tell. This is the first subdivision answer. All of you please listen. Please listen here. This is what you got. Third digit is 8, which is greater than 5. So that will go at the same time. This will exceed by 1. Here only 9. Here already it is 9. So if exceed by 1 means it will become 10. So it will become 0. Then that 1 is balanced. That 1 will be carried over here. So it will, or you think like that 79 will become 80. So that's the first subdivision. Second subdivision answer. 2 significant digits means whole number part and decimal number part. Together only 2 should be there. That's the meaning of 2 significant digits. Once again, that you didn't study till now. 2 significant digits means whole number part and decimal part. Together only 2 digits should be there. So what's that? The same answer I think. That means 2.8 is the answer. Because whole number part, decimal part together how many digits are there? 2. That only you have to write. If third one anything is there, you have to round it off. Third one it is 0. So it was easy for us. Simply we removed. Otherwise if it is more than 0, 5 or 6 or something like that, just this will exceed by 1. That rounding off process you have to do. But here it is 0. They need only 2 places. That's the meaning. Significant figures means whole number part and decimal part together they need 2. So 2.8 is the answer. Second subdivision answer 2.8. First subdivision answer 2.80. In effect both are same. Okay. I will give one example. 2.27.38. Correct to 2 significant figures, what will be the answer? Suppose I am giving one example. 27.38, such a number is there. How can you correct to Eh? Question number 8 for exam, homework. I will. Before that, just listen this one. Somebody is asking about question number 8. Whether I have given as homework or not, I don't know. That I will tell after this. Let me complete this one. If 27.38 such a number is there and they are asking what is that number, correct to two significant figures means what's the answer? 27 only. Because whole number part itself 2 digits are there. So no need to write the decimal part. Whole number part and decimal part together 2 should be there. But whole number part itself 2 are there. So we cannot write anything from decimal part. Only 2 digits they want to see as answer. That's the meaning of significant figures. If 27.38 such a number is there, what is the answer? 27. One more question. If 7.38 and there are question correct two significant figures. So 7 point, here we can write one more, that's the meaning. Together 2 digits only you can see in the answer. So you have to round it off. Since 8 comes here, this will become what? 4. So 7.4 is the answer. Got the meaning now? How to make it the significant figures? Significant figures means whole number part and decimal part together. You need those many digits. How many they ask? Those many. Okay. Decimal places means decimal places alone you can have. How many they ask? That much. That's the difference. That in higher class also you will study about that. Now, first you mark the homeworks. First homework. Question number 3. Subdivision 1 to 6. Subdivision 1 to 6. Question number 3. Subdivision 1 to 6. Sorry. 1, 3, 6. 2 we have done. 1, 3, 6. Question number 3. Subdivisions 1, 3, 6. Okay. Then question number 4. 1 and 2 subdivisions. Question number 4. 1 and 2 subdivisions. Then question number 5. Question number? Okay. Question number 3, first subdivision we have already done. Then no need to. Okay, question number 3, somebody is telling. Good. 245 that question, I remember. Yes, we have done. If we have done that question, you avoid. Okay. Okay, good. Then question number 4, what I told? First and second subdivision. Then question number 5, first and second subdivision. Question number 5, first and second subdivision. Okay. Then after that, 2 more questions that I will write on the board. You no need to touch 7 and 8. Question, somebody is asking that only they asked to ma'am. Question number 7 and 8 you no need to do. Instead I will give 2 questions. Okay. Question number 7 and 8, that from 9th grade background only you can do rationalization and all. Instead I will make it short, the same questions, and I will give. So these homeworks plus 2 homeworks I am writing on the board. Please you write. The last 2 homeworks, right, I am writing on the board. Find root 5 correct to 2 places of decimal. That's the next question. 2 places of decimal. Then next question, find root 7 correct to 3 places of decimal. Okay. So your homework's over, chapter also over. Now classwork is there because one question I have to do here. Okay. Homeworks which all I marked in the textbook. along with that these two questions. These two questions if you are doing, you no need to do 7 and 8. 3b, 7 and 8. Okay. Then I told no 6, 11, 12, 13, 14 you avoid. Okay. Now remaining time we have to use one more type is there. One or two questions we can do. Sorry, once more. Yes. Question number 5, first and subdivision homework. You asked whether is it a homework because that type I didn't try, no. That type only I am doing now. In advance I have given the homework. I can do that type and then you take as homework the other two. Okay. Question number 5, first and second subdivision homework. No doubt. Instead third subdivision I am doing now. Clear? So you people are listening. I am very happy. Who asked? Jake. Okay. Thank you. Then chapter over. I am also very happy. Then the last class work. I am going to rub this one. Example 16. Textbook example 16 we left. That only we are doing now. Then we can do the question number 5 question. Write the question. Find the least number. Example 16. That's a special type. Special type. Last type of question. Find the least number that must be subtracted. You write. Find example 16. Find the least number. All of you write. That must be subtracted. That must be subtracted. Find the least number that must be subtracted from very easy one, 2433. So that the remainder is a perfect square. So that the remainder is a perfect square. Since we have taken these many periods for the first chapter, second chapter, we will take only 2 periods. It's very easy. No need of division method and all. Okay. 2433 is not a perfect square. You have to subtract something from that to make it perfect square. What is that one? That's a question. Okay. Anyway, I am taking 2433. That's not a perfect square. I will do the division method. And I will get something remainder, not 0. Some other number I will get as remainder because it's not a perfect square. So definitely I will get remainder, some remainder. That remainder, because of that remainder only it's not a perfect square. So you remove that remainder, that's the answer. You see what's the remainder and you write this number. Remainder what you are getting. Suppose that you got 54 as remainder. So you will write, therefore 54 has to be removed. Because of that excess only this cannot be a perfect square, no? So that excess you remove. Got the meaning? Okay. So we are going to find the square root to know what is the remainder. Grouping over 4 4s are 16. Then which number to make this one? 8. 80. 5 into 5. Yes, more than that. 80. 8 into 8. Yes. 9. Actually, I need to know your names also. 89 into 9. Abel. Idal. Catherine. Catherine, okay. Yes. Catherine only told me 9 will be okay. 9 here, 9 here. It won't correctly match with 833, but 801. Okay. What's the remainder? 32. So 32 is the number to be subtracted. Is it easy question? Comparing to those questions which we dealt today morning. First Half an hour. Very difficult now. This is nothing. Simply you find the remainder and tell that number to be subtracted. You have to think like that. Because of this excess number only, this cannot be a perfect square. Okay. So you remove that one. Therefore, 32, you have to write like this. 32 is the number to be subtracted. To be subtracted. 32 is the number to be subtracted. 32 is the number to be subtracted. Okay. To make it a perfect square. Now I will do question number 5, third subdivision also same way. So you can do question number 5, first and second subdivision. Okay. Question number 5, third subdivision. Question number 5, third subdivision. Question number 5, third subdivision. Find the least number that must be subtracted so that the resulting number is a perfect square. Question is 23,497. This is not a perfect square. You see what remainder you are getting? That remainder you have to subtract to make it a perfect square. So from here to here grouping, no? Yes, 2 alone. No, sorry. 1 into 1, 1. Then 2. Then 5. Then it's easy for me. Somebody is telling the answer. 5 into 5. Anyway, this you cannot see from the textbook. It's not a worked out question. 125. Then 97. 30. Then which number? 3. 3 not 3 into 3. Yes. No? If 3 not 4, it will exceed. See? Exceed. So 3 not 3 into 3. 3 here, 3 here. 909. What's the remainder? What is that? Did you get 88? Yes, you will get 88. I know the answer. You will get 88. So what is the answer? Therefore, 88 is the number to be subtracted. What remainder? Do you think that these questions are okay, no? Comparing to our decimal and all. 88 is the number to be subtracted. Therefore, 88 is the number to be subtracted. No need to find a decimal and all. Clear? So you can do question number 592. Chapter over. Next class we will take cube and cube roots. Just to go through the text and come. Okay, then it will be easy. Like a square root, what is meant by perfect cube? How can you find this cube root and all? That I am not introducing now. If there is any doubt, 2-3 minutes are remaining. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Now, time is there. Somebody asked me, question number 3. If you are not asking any question, I will do on the board that question. Otherwise. Example 7. Example 7 or question number 7? Example 17 is exempted from this chapter. I told you that's why question number 6, no need to do. That's another type. Find the least number to be added. That's another type. Necessary types I have taken that we are leaving now in the online classes. Okay. That you need more explanation in the offline class only. So that's why I told question number 6 not need to do. Okay. Example 17 avoided. Question number 3, third, 82.6. That only they ask, I think. That I have given as homework now. Otherwise we can wind up this class. Next class I will take the attendance. You no need to wait for that recording session, you have to be there in the live classes itself. All are there today. And if you want to speak anything to me, you can. We have time, 2-3 minutes. How was this chapter? Is it easy? No response. That seems, eh?
Yes.
Is it easy? Easy.
Yes.
Who is speaking? Only Catherine. Where are the other girls? Just to tell others also to switch on the mic. Irene, Ishita. Okay, anyway, next class I will take the attendance. All should be there. And you work on these homeworks. Question number 3, third subdivision, I am giving you the chance once more. If you are not getting, I will do in the next class. Okay. So, thank you.